In 1648, at the age of 16, Leeuwenhoek moved to the famous Dutch trading city of Amsterdam and was apprenticed to a textile merchant, which is where he probably first encountered magnifying glasses, which were used in the textile trade to count thread densities for quality control purposes. When he was aged 20, he returned to Delft and set himself up as a cloth merchant. In 1660, Leeuwenhoek obtained a position as chamberlain to the Sheriff of Delft. His income was thus secure, and this work left him a lot of free time to devote his hobbies and to do other tasks. He also worked as a surveyor